Alright guys, what's up? Shadowscape Guides here on the second part of how to make your own RSPS 317 or 508. This part of the series actually applies more to the 317 version of your RSPS, not more of a 508. I'll make another video on that, hopefully. But today I'm going to show you guys how to, well, not today, but in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to code your RSPS and how to edit it. Now, this is the second part, and it's fairly hard, but if you watch this guide or tutorial, it'll actually help you a lot. But the first thing you're going to need before I even start anything is you're going to need JDK, which is Java Development Kit. And basically what this is just Java, but with a development kit that's used to code. I don't know why, but the compilers always ask for JDK. So, in order to edit your server, you need a compiler. This is what saves all the changes you made to the server. But I'll put the link in the description for the JDK. But once you download JDK off the internet, you're gonna go install it and do whatever you gotta do with it. And you're gonna open up your source right here, or wherever you saved it. And you're actually, the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna go to your compiler, which I have right here, and you're gonna right click it and you're gonna go to edit. Now, oh shit, wrong compiler. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Anyway, you're gonna open up your compiler, and this won't come up actually. If you're having trouble with it and it doesn't open up like this, you don't have the compiler set to your JDK. Now if you want to find your JDK, you're gonna go to your computer, and let me see if I can find it. Okay, you're gonna go to your computer and go to your local disk or your C drive. You're gonna open up your program files until you find Java. Now once you find Java, which is right here, you're gonna look for JDK and then whatever the version is. The version I'm going to give you guys is 1.6, so download that and install, as I said before, and it's going to be JDK 1.6. So once you find your version, you don't even have to click on it. Once you find your version, you can just get out of that, and you can actually open up your files, and you're going to want to edit it, the compiler. Now, this is what you're going to do. Where it says program files, there's going to be a Java, and then there's going to be a, yeah, like right down here. There's going to be like a Java, well, this is a different compiler. This one's actually more confusing than it should be, but this is a whole bunch of shit anyway. But there's going to be a Java thing, like a line like this, and it's going to be a program file line, and it's going to say whatever WinRAR extractor you have, and it's going to say Java, not WinRAR extractor, but the program file name, and it's going to say Java, and then it's going to say whatever this stuff is, and then after it, it's going to say a JDK sample, and it's not going to be yours because the JDK that shows up is the one that the last person used. So, like, right now, it would have been set like this. See how there's nothing there? Well, when you get your compiler, it's going to be set like that. So what you want to do is you want to change whatever's here, and if it's blank, just type in JDK 1.6.0, and then JDK 1.6.0. You want to type in your version. Alright, now that you got that done, you can save and exit out of it. I don't have to save because I already have it done. And onto the coding. Now, it depends on what you want to do. To change your character's rights, as in making yourself staff, owner, mods, admins, whatever you want to do, you're going to go to characters, the characters files, and say you want to make your friends or whatever, or yourself admin or owner. You're going to right click on them, and you're going to edit them. Now, Notepad should come up. Now where it says character rights, you're going to want to change the number to 3. 3 is owner, 2 is admin, 1 is mod, and 0 is hidden mod, I think. Depends on the server source you have, but that's basically how to change your user. Uh, yeah, it's basically it for that part. Yeah, so once you're done with that or whatever, just change the rights, save it, exit out. Well, now you got your characters done for the admin or mod or whatever you want to do, and that's pretty much set for that. If you have any other questions, just send me a message on that. But yeah, guys, it's pretty self-explanatory what to do. Um, Basically all you need is your JDK set, and you can basically do whatever you want. All you gotta do is go through the files and just find what you need. Like, let's just go to the client file. This is basically when you log into your server, what the server is gonna tell everyone. Like, let's say we'll push Control Find, we'll find something. That's Control F for people who don't know what I just did. Say I want to say welcome. So I'm gonna find one of the welcomes in the files, and I'm gonna change it. So here, I'm trying to think of what I changed it to. Okay. That's not it. Hold on a sec, guys. I changed everything up in my server. So was that it? All right. So say I wanna log in as a player. As you can see next to the send message screen, it's gonna say the player rights. So when that player logs in, it'll say what you want it to say. So say I want it to say welcome to I don't know, just whatever comes ahead. Welcome to Metro Escape. I'm gonna save it. File save. I'm gonna exit. Now I'm going to go to the compiler. I'm going to press the compile button, and I'm going to let it compile. Now, the options are probably going to be different for your guys' compiler, so just follow the directions for it. Now this is done, so I'm going to get out of the compiler, and now I'm going to run the server. And I forgot to tell you guys in the last video, if it doesn't run the server, all you got to do is just do the same you would do for the compiler, and that's basically it. So watch here, I'll show you guys that it did in fact work in Code My Server. Watch, okay. So once my client loads up, I'll show you guys what I mean by it did in fact work. It's basically coding for most people who don't know what I just did. So say I want to just log in as a random account. Basically what I just did, excuse me, is, see? Welcome to Metro Escape. Now, that is basically it. I don't understand why people can't just figure this out by looking into it themselves. It's actually not hard at all. But all it takes is a little bit of time, but I'm here to show you guys how to do it, not to whine about it. So that's basically what you got to do though for that. Just go into the files, compile it. There you go. And it's basically done. So that's that. And I was thinking of one more thing I wanted to show you guys. Let's see, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, change prices. Basically, if you want to change a price on something, you go to the items, the item notepad, and you're gonna open it up, and you just go to the item you want, and you just change the price and save it. But I don't need to do that because I already know how. And another thing I want to show you guys is the NPC handler. That basically handles all the NPCs, and it what it does is when you log in, you can tell your NPC what to say. Like for example, if you want to go to a shop and you want it to say whatever shop it is, you're gonna find that NPC and you're gonna type in what you want it to say, and it should work. So that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of tips. And there's world object. Anyway, world object is where you can put items and stuff. It's actually fairly simple. I'll make a video on that another day because I'm not wasting time now. But that's basically it for that. I mean, if you guys have any questions, please message me, comment, I'll try my best to help you guys out. I'm not sure if it'll, help you guys, but I'll try my best to help you, and hopefully it'll help. So just yeah, rate, subscribe, comment. This is only the second part of the video. I'm making the third part soon. So yeah, rate, subscribe, comment, and thanks, guys.